I thought it was pretty interesting to show you guys. This is from NASA and Toyota. They did a partnership. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to bring track content to the channel. Dope has Super 86 and the Corolla. Definitely a cool little desk piece to have. To me, it's little things like this that makes Toyota different. I love receiving little packages like this. Like, who would have known a free little sticker makes your day? Because this definitely made my day. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes mysterious. Once you get to meet her, you see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we are going to install this carbon fiber hood. This hood was from my other E210, the previous hatchback I did own. As you can see, there is some water spots. I kind of neglected this video at the very end of its life, but I'm going to get this hood ceramic coated along with my car, so these water spots will be removed. It's going to look like brand new. I don't know if this fits my car, to be honest, but it looks the same. It doesn't look any different from the other hood. I did the measurements and they measured the same, but we will see if it actually does fit. I'll be the guinea pig, but if you guys are watching this video, that means it did fit. This hood is from VIS Racing. Such a clean hood. I've heard so many good things about this hood over the Saibon hood. So if you guys are wondering about copying a hood, this is the hood to get. The only reason I say that is because they say that the Saibon hood does not have good fitment. From my personal experience, this has 1-to-1 fitment. This fits like OEM on the previous hatch. I'll definitely take a look at this car to see if it is 1-to-1. Alright, let's go get my guinea pig ready, see if we can mock this up on the GR Corolla. So the first step is that you have to remove the windshield wiper hoses. It's pretty simple. All you do is grab a panel popper and just pop them all out, and then you get a pocket screwdriver and pop these out. And then the second step is to remove this 12 right here. That removes the hood prop. And then the third step is to remove 4 12s on either side. So it's 2 here and 2 there. And then that's it. You may need help from somebody if you can. If not, I will show you a link how to do it by yourself. But let's get right into the installation. Alright guys, so this hose gets connected here, and the first one goes here and the second one goes over there. But in order to do that, you got to snake it through. So you got to take off this nozzle and the other nozzle. It's going to be a little hard to snake it all the way through, but you start from here and just start threading it through. So you want to thread it through all the way till it hits the other side. It's going to be a little tricky, but it can be done. And then this just pops in. Then you want to find the end hose for here. Just pull it out like that. So that's the first hose. And then you want to go to the other side.
And find that second hose. Just like that. So then you have both sprayers. Just hook them up. Make sure you seat them all the way through, if not you will get some leaks. Just like, they clip right on. And now I want to make these vents functional, so all you gotta do is get a panel popper. These clips are so cheap. If you try to take them off with the screwdriver, they just get stripped, so you can just take them off with the panel popper. I don't plan on reusing these clips or reusing this, so if you want to keep this on there, I would suggest you not take these off. Even though I didn't break this one, I'm pretty sure most of them are going to break. Now the vents are functional. You can't really put this hood prop anywhere. This goes all over the place. It could possibly hit the fan. On my other Corolla, I didn't have any problems, but I'm kind of afraid of leaving this here. So when you close it, there's nowhere to put it. Just right, it just lays right there, and that possibly could move. So the fix for that, these hood shocks were for the E210 Corolla. It's with all these brackets and whatnot. I gotta figure out how to install it on this car. That will be a future video. But for right now, I'm just gonna leave this hood prop. So this is how it looks. It fits perfect, just like the other one. The gap is OEM spec. Both sides are the same. Fitment is perfect. I love this hood. I don't know if I'm gonna paint match it. I don't know if I want to deal with more black. But there you go, it is installed. Super easy install. Looking good. But I can confirm that the previous E210 hood does fit the GR Corolla perfectly. Even matches the body line. As you can see, the body line goes right there. Try to get a good angle. See that body line matches up perfectly. And same with this side. So if you guys want to buy a carbon hood for your GR Corolla early, the VIS one does fit the GR Corolla. Alright guys, before I end off the video, I did have a couple comments how to navigate the system, so I'm going to show you guys real quick now that I've had the car for a while. I'm sitting at 2,322 miles, so I am going to do a break-in oil change pretty soon. I'm probably going to do it on Friday and probably upload it that same Sunday. So I will upload this video on the 5th, and then I'm going to do my oil change video on the 12th. So stay tuned for that. Before I continue, I am going to turn off my car because I know my mic is picking up the rumbling of the car. So if you guys see a bunch of warning lights, it's because I have my ignition on. And what a couple of you guys were asking is how to change the display. For example, I put it on sport mode right now and it changes. And a couple of you guys have been saying that when you guys change it, it does not change the interface. All right, so the first step, what you do is you hit the OK button and hold it. And then that will pop up. And then you go down till it says settings, you select OK, and then you scroll down to where it says meter settings. You click and hold right here, and then you go to meter type, and then right here it's going to be defaulted either here or here, where you want to click on it where it says change with drive mode. So then anytime you switch from normal to sport, it'll go back and forth like that, and then you can hit custom however you guys want it. And now that I'm here, I'll show you guys how to edit the whole display. So I usually like to have it this square shows what gear you're in. So when you hit OK, you can go left and right, and that'll show you what stuff you can edit. For example, you can show your tire pressure, you can show all your temperatures, you can show the boost gauge, and if you hit left again, it gives you even more options what you can choose. So this is all customizable, and it lets you choose every square that you want. So if you go all the way to the right, so you can edit the right side of your display too. At the moment, since I daily drive this car and I'm trying to save gas as much as I can, this is the screen that I am running. I run on this one. This is my third one. I show my MPG. So far right now my MPG is 24.8. I do like it for it to show the distance and the time. That just gets me a little bit more accuracy on how much MPG I'm getting. So for right now, every tank I'm getting about 280 to 300 depending if I pull the car or not. When I do pull the car, I usually get around 260 to the tank. So right now, I'll show you the odometer. I have 174.9 miles and I have 132 miles left. So that puts me at just over 300 miles on the range. I got this in the mail yesterday. I thought it was pretty interesting to show you guys. This is from NASA and Toyota. They did a partnership. It's pretty cool mailing package. Thought you guys would see. So let's open it up and see what is in here. Oh, this is pretty dope. It looks like a folder of some sorts. Pretty dope. It has Super 86 and the Corolla. Definitely a cool little desk piece to have. So let's get into the contents of it. So I'll show you guys a close-up as I read this. But basically it's saying, welcome to NASA, the fastest growing and most exciting amateur motorsports sanctioning body in the country today. You are now part of a vibrant and progressive group that is creating the future of the sport with your support and input. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for renewing your membership or joining us for the first time. Without our members' loyal support, NASA would not exist, and we greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Our growth over the years can be contributed to the enthusiasm of our members and innovative programs that put NASA at the forefront of the grassroots motorsports movement. So here's the NASA membership. I did cover some important information, but it's pretty cool. They give you a little card and it's ready to go. You just bring this to NASA, or you sign up and then you can bring it to NASA. And then there's competition, time trial, rally, instructor, and TREC. What do you guys think bringing some track driving to the channel? This will be so cool to bring to the channel and show you guys the process of getting into NASA for the first time and to the very end of the membership. This is pretty cool. They do give you 1 year. It does say somewhere around here it expires on next year around the 17th of January. So this is so dope, and it just gives you more information. They give you a cool little NASA sticker, and they do also give you a GR sticker that's definitely going on my toolbox. This is a dope little package that Toyota sends to people who do buy the GR. I think it's any GR. For example, if you get the Supra, but it has to be the GR. If you get the 86, it has to be the GR version. If you get the Corolla, it has to be the GR, and you get this package automatically. To me, it's little things like this that makes Toyota different. I love receiving little packages like this. Like, who would have known a free little sticker makes your day? Because this definitely made my day. But it says right here what the membership includes. It includes 1 year NASA membership with full benefits, 1 complimentary high performance driving event, certified professional driving instruction, NASA members discounts and programs, and a digital magazine that provides news. Throughout this whole time I'm talking, I'll show you guys what exactly it says so you guys can read. But if you do see any tape or anything, it is because it's blocking sensitive information. But for the most part, this is generic and it has a couple sensitive information for you guys. So this is pretty dope. I can't wait to bring track content to the channel. At the moment, I'm not ready. As you guys know, I barely started driving stick. I definitely improved a lot since the first video. I've been driving this car for about a month and a half, and I've gained so much experience. I'm loving this car and it's treating me good. There's nothing to complain since I did drive the regular Corolla, so I kind of really knew what the Corolla had to offer. So this is pretty dope. I can't wait to bring this content. Once again, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much for leaving likes, comments, and all my videos. Thank you guys for watching the video. Catch you guys next time.